Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning Surah Al-Muzamil, ayah number 9 to 11, inshallah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. رب المشرق والمغرب لا إله إلا هو فاتخذه وكيلا. Rob. Ra will be heavy whenever Ra is with Fatha or Dhamma. It is heavy. Heavy Ra sounds like a Ra. A Ra. You have to lift your root of your tongue up towards your palate and make the sound of a Ra. Ra bull. It sounds like it. It's a Ra. Ra. Ra bull. And attached with Ba. Then Ba is attached with Lam. Lam will get Sifa of Tawassut. And tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Lin Umar are the letters. Whenever these are with sukoon, will get sifar tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Lin Umar. And lam is one of them. Look here. So this will get sifar tawassut. Bul, this sound is tawassut. Rabbul mash. For fatha, open your jaws, attached with sheen. Sheen will get sifa of rakhawa, sifa of the fashi. The sound spreads, the sound goes on. Mash, mashri, ri. Look how different this raw and this raw is. That was a raw, and this is ri, ri. The raw with kasra has a light sound. Ri, qi. And this cough will be, this cough is heavy, but here it is little light. Rabbul mashdiqi wal. For wow fatha, you open your jaws. For wow fatha, open your for fatha, open your jaws. For wow, circle your lips and attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. You will not stop lam abruptly. It will take little time to pronounce. Well, mag. For fatha, open your jaws. Ghain will get sifa of rakhawa, and it is heavy, so we can write both. This is heavy, and it will get sifa of rakhawa. The sound should flow. Look how different the flow of sound should be in tawassut and rakhawa. Look how I do for lam. Well, this is little shorter, and ghain with sifa of rakhawa, which means a flow of sound. It flows very nicely, like it shouldn't stop. Well, this is shorter. This flow is longer than tawassut. This is longer than what I'm giving on lam. Well, ri. Look here, the raw is again light because the raw with kasra is a light raw, and that sounds like ri. As we say, replay it, redo it, yes. Re, be, well, maghribi, la will be 4 counts long because this is mad, munfasil, jaiz, because when hamza is followed by mad letter, this will it will change this 2 counts long vowel into 4. So now it is 4 counts, and this is called mad munfasil jaiz. La e. Hamza is a very sharp, pointy sound. For kasra, give e sound. E. This e sound should be here. La, 2 counts long. Ilaha. Ha is short. La ilaha illa. Again, e. This is not e. Illa. It's not illa. It's il. This sound comes from your throat directly. Your throat cuts off the makhraj right away, and this gives it shidda. Like shidda is a sifa. There are three qualities: shidda, بينية رخاوة. So here you cuts off the sound right away. إلا who. For Dhamma, circle your lips. For wow, circle your lips. And for Fatha, open your jaws. Who, wa. Both short sounds are short. Huwa, fatta. For fa, give hums. Hums is a flow of breath. Whenever you find fa in any state, for fatha, dhamma, kasra, you have to give sifa of hums, and hums is flow of breath. How you do it? This sound should be there. Can you hear this? This, yes. Fatta, fatta. Ta is a very shidda harf. The sound cuts right away. For fatha, open your jaws. Fatta, khid. For kha is heavy letter. For kasra, give e sound. Don't ever drop any e sound whenever you are pronouncing kasra. Khid, khi, khi. Say khi first and then attach a dal. Khid. And dal will get sifa of rakhawa. And rakhawa is a flow of sound. The sound shouldn't stop. It goes on. فَاتَّخِذْهُ. Who for dhamma, circle your lips. Wa for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Wa ki. 2 counts long. Because ya sakina followed by kasra. Wa ki la. Here there's mad awad. You are changing the sound of tanween by removing this one fatha and changing it to 2 counts long vowel. And this is called mad awad. Wakila. If you'll go slow and apply all these sifat, your inshallah qira'ah will be beautiful. You say ra as ra, rab, and circle your lips for dhamma, wool, give tawassut, and then mashriqi wal maghribi. Go slow. Whenever you are saying for your teacher and giving you lesson by recording, go slow. Apply all your sifat. You will be amazed how beautiful your qira'ah will be. La ilaha illa huwa fattakhidhu wakila. Was for wow, circle your lips. The makhraj of wow, the articulation point of wow is just circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with sod, and sod is heavy. Sod has rakhawa. So the sound of sod will flow, it shouldn't stop. Was be for kasra, give e sound. This e sound should be there for kasra, and b say b and then attach with ra, and ra will be light here because it is followed by kasra. It is with sukoon on its own. Then if it is with sukoon, you will check the sound, the letter before it. If it is with kasra, you will make ra light. Bir was bir, and ra will get safab tawassut. And tawassut, look here, the letters, and ra is one of them. So you are giving tawassut. Was bir ala, ain from your throat. It should be from your throat. For fatha, open your jaws. La is 2 counts long. Ma, 2 counts long. Ear, soft. And for fatha, open your jaws. Ear, ooh. From the cough is heavy. Ooh, 2 counts long. And for dhamma, circle your lips. Ooh, loo, 2 counts long. Na, short. Yeah. If you pay attention on the long and short vowels, the 50% of your tajweed will be fixed. La, ma, hiya, tu, lu, na. Long and short should be fixed, inshallah. Wow. For wow, this the makhraj of wow, from where the wow is being pronounced, it's just circling your lips. Just circle your lips and wow will be pronounced. For fatha, open your jaws and attach with ha. Ha will get sifa of rakhawa. Wah. Look how it goes on. Wah. Can you hear me? Wah. Jur. For dhamma, circle your lips, attach with ra. Ra will get sifa of rakhawa. Jur. And as soon as you will touch a ra, your lips should be in a natural, normal position. It shouldn't be in the position of dhamma. Otherwise, you will be giving the sound of dhamma on ra too, which is not good. It is with sukoon. So jur, wah, jur, hum for dhamma. Circle your lips, attached with meme, and meme will get sifa of tawassuds. Hum, meme you cannot stop meme abruptly. It's hum. Hajr, Jim will get sifa of qalqala, because qutubu jaddin are the letters. Whenever these are with sukoon, will get sifa of qalqala. Should I write it for you? Yes, I can. Qutubu jaddin are the 5 letters. Whenever these are with sukoon, will get sifa of qalqala. Qutubu jaddin. Okay. So Jim is one of them, and it is with sukoon. So that's it. These conditions are met. Now you are giving qalqala. Haji. This is qalqala. Run. This is ikhfa. You're hiding the sound of tameen, going towards this makhraj of jim, and you are keeping the sound in your nose. This is what ikhfa is. هاجرا جميل 2 counts long. لا 2 counts long. With this is mad عرض. You are just removing this one fatha. Now this is 2 counts long, and you are exchanging the sound of tanween into mad. So this is called mad عوض. عوض is to exchange something, and you are exchanging the sound. That's why it is called mad عوض. هاجرا جميلا for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. وذر ذال is short. For fatha, open your jaws. Attach with ra. Ra will be heavy. Whenever ra is with sukoon, you check the letter before it. If it is with fatha or dhamma, ra will be heavy. So here ra is heavy, and it is going to get this sifa of tawassut naturally, because this is len amr, and with sukoon it will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. وذر ni is 2 counts long. Well, for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Well, mu. For dhamma, circle your lips. Kadh. For kaf is light. Attach with zal. Zal will get sifa of rakhawa. The sound should flow very well. Kadhi. For kasra, give e sound. Don't ever drop this e sound when you are saying kasra. Kadhi. B 2 counts long. Na والمكذبين. U. Hamza is short. For dhamma, circle your lips. Why it is short? Because you can see the 0 on wow. It says that wow doesn't exist. Don't feel like it is there. Don't pronounce it. Don't do anything. So this hamza is short. It's not u. It's u. Ulin. Lam is lam is with kasra. Give perfect e sound. First say e, li, and then attach with noon. Lean. Don't drop this sound when you are attaching with noon. Lean, and give gunna on noon, because noon and meme are the whenever these are with tashdid, we'll get sifa of gunna, and gunna is keeping sound in your nose for a longer period of time. Ulin. And for ain, give tawassut, and it should be from your throat. Na, ma is short. Ti, نعمتي و for wow circle your lips for fatha open your jaws ومهل heal for kasra give e sound and don't ever drop even you are attaching it lam he مهل for lam give tawassut heal hum for dhamma circle your lips attach with meme will get sifa of tawassut ومهلهم قاف is heavy li two counts long قليلا again this is mad arad you're exchanging the sound of tanween into two counts long vowel so this will give you mad arad and that will be two counts long قليلا وذرني والمكذبين أولي النعمة أولي النعمة sorry أولي النعمة وذرني والمكذبين أولي النعمة ومهلهم قليلا أولي النعمة ومهلهم قليلا سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته